Hey there, Batman fans. Anyways, we are back again, as you guys can see. Today, Batman fans, we are back. We're back with another unboxing video, and this time, I got a new flashlight. It's called the Super Bright LED flashlight, and it's super bright, as it says. Small to X1, bigger X250. Wow, to zoom out, 2000. So this is a good flashlight. I got this today from Food Line. So we're gonna unbox it and see what it's like, Batman fans. So let's try to get this open, Batman fans. Oh, it looks like the same packaging from the keychain one from way back. Okay, let's see if we can get this. Okay, let's try to get this open. Okay, seriously? Oh, wait. Also, by the way, before we do that, Batman fans, it says, okay, the directions are, it says, remove rear cover and insert 3 AAA batteries in accordance with, of course, the plus and minus. Place battery holster back in the flashlight, noting close rear cover. Okay. Okay. Okay, hopefully we can, okay, let's try to get this open if I can. This reminds me from the keychain unboxing video, Batman fans, from a couple months ago. Like the same packaging of it. Come on, open. Okay, Batman fans, I guess I'll be back. So, I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, we're back, Batman fans. Sorry about that. Now, I had to cut it. So, I didn't want to take too long, so. Okay, sorry about that, Batman fans. Now, as I was saying, let's try to open this now since I had to cut this. So, okay, let's see if we can. Come on. There we go. Okay. There we go. Wow. Well, Batman fans, here it is. Oh, cool. The light, cool that the handle comes with it, so I don't have to put it in there. Cool. Okay. So I guess now let's open this and try to see if... Okay. Of course, it comes with the batteries. I have three of them right here. I used one of my old ones. This one doesn't work no more, so of course. Alrighty. Let's hope these work. I think these still work. I think. Okay. Seriously? Okay. Alright. Let's see if it works. Awesome. If you like this video already, Batman fans, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit that bell to turn on all notifications every time we do videos. And shout outs to all my Batman fans and YouTubers that subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. And if you want to become a Batman fan, all you gotta do is subscribe. Okay, so we pull. So we pull like this. Batman fans, go up. Oh wow. Wow, Batman fans, it turns into a square. I think. Oh, and this thing glows. This thing glows, Batman fans. Huh. Kind of cool. Now we push it back down. Huh. Still lights up, but back to normal. Oh, sorry about that. So yeah, Batman fans, that is the super bright LED flashlight unboxing. If you like this video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that bell to turn on notifications every time we do videos. Shout outs to all my Batman fans and YouTubers that subscribe to the channel, appreciate it. And let me know in the comment section below which videos and games you subscribe, what videos and games you want me to do next, or if there's any more unboxings of flashlights you want me to do. So yeah, Batman fans, this is your boy Batman for Toy Batman. I'll show you the flashlight again. Pretty good, huh? I'm gonna enjoy this flashlight, Batman fans. So this is your boy Batman for Toy Batman. And I'll see you all in the next one. See ya, Batman fans.